Introducing the Makita 18V LXT Lithium-ion Cordless Impact Driver. Equipped with an innovative 4-pole, 4-brush motor that delivers 26% more speed than the previous model and a full 1,460 inch-pounds of max torque. At only 5 3/8 inches long, it has a compact and ergonomic design with less weight for reduced operator fatigue. It also has a new fan design and ventilating window for improved cooling performance under load. The all-metal gear housing provides increased durability. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge time in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.